I'm here with Alex, and we're in one of the biggest selling layouts, which is an L shape.
Yeah.
So this one has the bedroom through there, the bathroom, the kitchen, and then the
lounge
area here. So you were going to make a point, Alex.
Yeah. As you know, our building is made up of certain components. There's a few different windows, a few different walls, and you can make up the studio to meet your requirements. You may want 2 bedrooms, you may want a bigger bathroom, you may want a bigger bedroom. So we can adapt the building to meet your needs. However, there should be a caveat that you should know. If in the future you choose to sell the studio for whatever reason, if your needs for it are no longer, the studio that's going to sell, we know the studios that are going to sell.
You mean as a second-hand?
As a second-hand studio.
Right, okay.
For example, if a 16x8 garden office comes up, that will sell that day. If a second...
Yeah, we'll sell it really quickly, won't we?
Yeah, you'll put it on the newsletter and it'll be sold that day. So if an L shape came up for sale, we'll put it on the newsletter. It takes a little bit longer as people mull over the decision, because it is a big decision.
Yeah, it's an annex.
But it will sell. We know it will sell. There's none of these studios on our mailing list. But if you change the studio from what we recommend, i.e. you go a little bit smaller on this section or a little bit bigger on this section, and you alter it, they don't sell as well.
Yeah, well, the recent example is there's a 36 foot by 8 foot, which suited the original purchaser, but now they want to sell it second hand, and that's a bit of an awkward size to put in anybody's garden.
It's in Stockport. They've put it up for sale, but it's a difficult one to sell because not many gardens are 36 foot wide. And if your garden is 36 foot wide, you've probably got a big, massive house. I don't know, but all you've done is you've reduced the chances of selling it. So we would recommend you stick with what we know works.
Yeah, the layouts that we...
Because not only does it work on the resale value, the reason it works on the resale value is because it works originally. The kitchen and the bathroom and the bedroom and everything all works.
Yeah, ergonomically, it's a comfortable, good living space.
So someone might come here, see this, and I like that. I definitely want that. And then they see somebody else's, and I don't quite like that shape. The bedroom's a little bit small, or they haven't utilised the space as well as we do with the studios that we've got here in the show. And we've learnt that.
Yeah.
By seeing other people's studios.
It's a bit like one of your analogies about cars. If you buy a yellow car because you love yellow, then that's fantastic. But if you come to sell that yellow car, you might struggle to find a buyer.
The value's gone down.
Yeah.
Because how many people want a yellow car? I mean, there are people who want yellow cars, but not as many who want white cars.
Yeah. So it's a similar thing.
Very much so.
If you divert from our standard layouts, then you might struggle to resell it in 5-6 years' time.
Yeah. That's basically what I'm saying.
Yeah. Okay, no, that's fantastic. Thank you for that clarification.